200 plus English vocabulary words, animals, and vehicles.
Car. Car.
Car. This is a car. A car takes you from place to place. One of the most common vehicles worldwide.
Bus. Bus.
Bus. This is a bus. A bus carries many people for school, city, or long trips.
Truck. Truck.
Truck. This is a truck. Trucks are strong for carrying heavy items like boxes across highways.
Motorcycle. Motorcycle.
Motorcycle. This is a motorcycle. A motorcycle is fast with two wheels, great for traffic.
Bicycle. Bicycle.
Bicycle. This is a bicycle. Bicycles run without fuel, ideal for short trips and exercise.
Ambulance. Ambulance.
Ambulance. This is an ambulance. An ambulance rushes sick people to hospitals with lights and sirens.
Fire truck. Fire truck.
Fire truck. This is a fire truck. Fire trucks help firefighters extinguish fires and rescue people.
Police car. Police car.
Police car. This is a police car. Police cars aid officers in keeping safety and catching criminals.
Train. Train.
Train. This is a train. Trains move on tracks, carrying people or goods over long distances.
Tractor. Tractor.
Tractor. This is a tractor. Tractors assist farmers in plowing fields and growing food.
Van. Van.
Van. This is a van. A van carries people or goods, larger than a car.
Scooter. Scooter.
Scooter. This is a scooter. Scooters are light and easy for city riding.
Auto rickshaw. Auto rickshaw.
Auto rickshaw. This is an auto rickshaw. Auto rickshaws are three-wheel taxis common in many countries.
Bulldozer. Bulldozer.
Bulldozer. This is a bulldozer. Bulldozers push dirt and rocks on construction sites with a big blade.
Cement mixer. Cement mixer.
Cement mixer. This is a cement mixer. Cement mixers spin to mix cement for roads and houses.
Garbage truck. Garbage truck.
Garbage truck. This is a garbage truck. Garbage trucks collect trash to keep neighborhoods clean.
Forklift. Forklift.
Forklift. This is a forklift. Forklifts lift and move heavy boxes in warehouses.
Airplane. Airplane.
Airplane. This is an airplane. Airplanes fly high, carrying people worldwide.
Helicopter. Helicopter.
Helicopter. This is a helicopter. Helicopters take off vertically for rescue and travel.
Hot air balloon. Hot air balloon.
Hot air balloon. This is a hot air balloon. Hot air balloons float with heated air for scenic views.
Glider. Glider.
Glider. This is a glider. Gliders fly silently without engines, using wind.
Jet. Jet.
Jet. This is a jet. Jets are fast airplanes for travel and military use.
Drone. Drone.
Drone. This is a drone. Drones fly remotely for videos and pictures from the sky.
Blimp. Blimp.
Blimp. This is a blimp. Blimps float like balloons for advertising or events.
Fighter jet. Fighter jet.
Fighter jet. This is a fighter jet. Fighter jets are fast military planes for defense.
Rocket. Rocket.
Rocket. This is a rocket. Rockets launch into space for exploration.
Parachute. Parachute.
Parachute. This is a parachute. Parachutes slow falls from planes for safety.
Boat. Boat.
Boat. This is a boat. Boats float on water for fishing, fun, or transport.
Ship. Ship.
Ship. This is a ship. Ships sail oceans, carrying people or cargo.
Submarine. Submarine.
Submarine. This is a submarine. Submarines travel underwater for long periods.
Canoe. Canoe.
Canoe. This is a canoe. Canoes are small boats paddled for rivers and lakes.
Yacht. Yacht.
Yacht. This is a yacht. Yachts are fancy boats for vacations on water.
Sailboat. Sailboat.
Sailboat. This is a sailboat. Sailboats use wind and sails for quiet movement.
Kayak. Kayak.
Kayak. This is a kayak. Kayaks are small boats for one or two on rivers.
Fishing boat. Fishing boat.
Fishing boat. This is a fishing boat. Fishing boats catch fish in oceans or lakes.
Hovercraft. Hovercraft.
Hovercraft. This is a hovercraft. Hovercrafts glide over water or land on air cushions.
Cargo ship. Cargo ship.
Cargo ship. This is a cargo ship. Cargo ships transport containers across seas.
Cruise ship. Cruise ship.
Cruise ship. This is a cruise ship. Cruise ships are large for vacation trips.
Raft. Raft.
Raft. This is a raft. Rafts are flat for river adventures, made of wood or rubber.
Ferry. Ferry.
Ferry. This is a ferry. Ferries carry people and cars across rivers or bays.
Jet ski. Jet ski.
Jet ski. This is a jet ski. Jet skis are fast water scooters for fun on lakes.
Speedboat. Speedboat.
Speedboat. This is a speedboat. Speedboats move quickly on water for excitement.
Tugboat. Tugboat.
Tugboat. This is a tugboat. Tugboats pull big ships into docks safely.
Rickshaw. Rickshaw.
Rickshaw. This is a rickshaw. Rickshaws are small carts for short rides, pulled by people or bikes.
Snowmobile. Snowmobile.
Snowmobile. This is a snowmobile. Snowmobiles drive over snow in cold areas.
Limousine. Limousine.
Limousine. This is a limousine. Limousines are long luxury cars for events.
Cable car. Cable car.
Cable car. This is a cable car. Cable cars ride wires over hills for views.
Seaplane. Seaplane.
Seaplane. This is a seaplane. Seaplanes land on water or land with floats.
Trolley. Trolley.
Trolley. This is a trolley. Trolleys run on city tracks for downtown transport.
Amphibious vehicle. Amphibious vehicle.
Amphibious vehicle. This is an amphibious vehicle. Amphibious vehicles travel on land and water. Dump truck. Dump truck. Dump truck. This is a dump truck. Yeah, it carries sand or dirt, and the back tips up to dump everything out at the site. Road roller. Road roller. Road roller. This is a road roller. Yay, it's heavy and rolls over ground to make it flat and smooth for roads. Cement mixer truck. Cement mixer truck. Cement mixer truck. This is a cement mixer truck. Yeah, the drum spins to mix cement, keeping it soft until poured at the site. Forklift. 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 This is a forklift. Yay! It uses forks to lift and move heavy boxes in warehouses safely. Skid steer loader. Skid steer loader. Skid steer loader. This is a skid steer loader. Yeah, it's small but powerful, turning in tight spaces to dig or lift dirt. Bulldozer. 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 This is a bulldozer. Yay! It has a big blade to push dirt, rocks, or sand and clear land. Backhoe loader. Backhoe loader. Backhoe loader. This is a backhoe loader. Yeah, it has a front bucket and back digging arm, like two machines in one. Grader. 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 This is a grader. Yay! It uses a long blade to smooth and flatten the ground for roads. Excavator. 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 This is an excavator. Yeah, it has a long arm with a bucket to dig deep holes and lift heavy things. Crane truck. Crane truck. Crane truck. This is a crane truck. Yay! It has a long arm to lift materials high for building tall structures. Paver. 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 This is a paver. Yeah, it spreads hot asphalt to create smooth roads for cars to drive on. Trencher. 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 This is a trencher. Yeah, it cuts narrow ditches in the ground for pipes with sharp teeth. Tower crane. Tower crane. Tower crane. This is a tower crane. Yeah, it's super tall and lifts heavy items high on building sites. Pile driver. Pile driver. Pile driver. This is a pile driver. Yay, it hammers long poles deep into the ground to support buildings. Wheel loader. Wheel loader. Wheel loader. This is a wheel loader. Yeah, it uses a big bucket to scoop and move dirt or rocks quickly. Scraper. 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 This is a scraper. Yay! It scrapes soil into a bowl to flatten land before construction. Articulated dump truck. Articulated dump truck. Articulated dump truck. This is an articulated dump truck. Yeah, it bends in the middle to haul heavy loads over rough terrain. Telehandler. 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 This is a telehandler. Yay, it lifts items high with a boom arm like a forklift for tall jobs. Asphalt milling machine. Asphalt milling machine. Asphalt milling machine. This is an asphalt milling machine. Yeah, it grinds up old roads so new ones can be laid. Utility truck. Utility truck. Utility truck. This is a utility truck. Yay! It carries tools and parts to fix machines, like a mobile toolbox.
Cow. Cow.
This is a cow. Cows live on farms and give us milk to drink.
Dog. Dog.
This is a dog. Dogs are friendly pets that guard homes and love to play.
Cat. Cat.
This is a cat. Cats sleep a lot and chase mice around the house.
Sheep. Sheep.
This is a sheep. Sheep have fluffy wool used to make clothes.
Horse. Horse.
This is a horse. Horses carry people and love to run in stables.
Hen. Hen.
This is a hen. Hens lay eggs we eat and have a red comb.
Rabbit. Rabbit.
This is a rabbit. Rabbits hop fast and eat carrots and leaves.
Rooster. Rooster.
This is a rooster. Roosters are strong chickens that protect hens.
Goat. Goat.
This is a goat. Goats eat grass, climb hills, and have horns.
Buffalo. Buffalo.
This is a buffalo. Buffaloes are strong and help in farm fields.
Fish. Fish.
This is a fish. Fish swim in water with gills and colorful scales.
Tortoise. Tortoise.
This is a tortoise. Tortoises have hard shells and eat plants.
Parrot. Parrot.
This is a parrot. Parrots have bright feathers and can copy sounds.
Pigeon. Pigeon.
This is a pigeon. Pigeons fly high and eat grains near people.
Rock. Rock.
This is a duck. Ducks swim in water with webbed feet and flat beaks.
Dove. Dove.
This is a dove. Doves are gentle birds, symbols of peace, eating seeds.
Hamster. Hamster.
This is a hamster. Hamsters store food in cheeks and are furry.
Hedgehog. Hedgehog.
This is a hedgehog. Hedgehogs have spines and eat insects and fruits.
Rat. Rat.
This is a rat. Rats are quick with long tails and fit in tiny spaces.
Squirrel. Squirrel.
This is a squirrel. Squirrels climb trees and eat nuts and seeds.
Donkey. Donkey.
This is a donkey. Donkeys carry loads and have long ears on farms.
Camel. Camel.
This is a camel. Camels walk in deserts with humps and long legs.
Elephant. Elephant.
This is an elephant. Elephants are smart with trunks and help with work.
Lovebirds. Lovebirds.
These are lovebirds. Lovebirds are colorful, playful parrots in pairs.
Peacock. Peacock.
This is a peacock. Peacocks have beautiful tails. They spread like fans.
Ox. Ox.
This is an ox. Oxen are strong, plow fields, and pull heavy carts.
Ostrich. Ostrich.
This is an ostrich. Ostriches are big birds that run fast, not fly.
Ferret. Ferret.
This is a ferret. Ferrets are playful with long bodies and soft fur.
Bengal tiger. Bengal tiger.
Bengal tiger. This is a Bengal tiger. It's the biggest wild cat with orange stripes and sharp teeth, a powerful jungle hunter.
Black panther. Black panther.
Black panther. This is a black panther. These sneaky big cats have black fur to hide in the dark and sneak through the jungle.
African lion. African lion.
African lion. This is an African lion. It's the king of the savannah with a loud roar, living in groups called prides.
Wolf. Wolf.
Wolf. This is a wolf. Wolves are wild dogs that live in packs and howl at night to communicate with family.
Hyena. Hyena.
Hyena. This is a hyena. Hyenas make laughing sounds, are brave, and can scare off lions from food.
Mountain lion. Mountain lion.
Mountain lion. This is a mountain lion. Mountain lions are quiet and quick, sneaking through forests and leaping into trees.
Jackal. Jackal.
Jackal. This is a jackal. Jackals are clever and fast, exploring in pairs with big ears to hear tiny sounds.
Leopard. Leopard.
Leopard. This is a leopard. Leopards are strong, quiet hunters that rest in trees and watch from above.
Grizzly bear. Grizzly bear.
Grizzly bear. This is a grizzly bear. Grizzly bears have thick fur and a big hump, running fast and splashing in rivers.
Komodo dragon. Komodo dragon.
Komodo dragon. This is a Komodo dragon. It's the biggest lizard with strong, sneaky moves and super sharp teeth.
African elephant. African elephant.
African elephant. This is an African elephant. These biggest land animals use trunks like hands and love playing in mud.
Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros.
Rhinoceros. This is a rhinoceros. Rhinos are big and strong with nose horns, running fast when frightened.
Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus.
Hippopotamus. This is a hippopotamus. Hippos are giant with big mouths and short legs, opening jaws wide to show teeth.
Crocodile. Crocodile.
Crocodile. This is a crocodile. Crocodiles stay still, watch closely, then snap fast with strong jaws.
Camel. Camel.
Camel. This is a camel. Camels walk through deserts easily, with humps storing fat and going days without water.
Eagle. Eagle.
Eagle. This is an eagle. Eagles glide with wide wings, spotting animals from far and catching them fast.
Baboon. Baboon.
Baboon. This is a baboon. Baboons are wild, noisy monkeys with sharp teeth, living in big, crazy groups.
Bison. Bison.
Bison. This is a bison. Bison are big and strong, roaming in herds with horns to watch out for.
Zebra. Zebra.
Zebra. This is a zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes, each with a unique pattern like a name tag.
Giraffe. Giraffe.
Giraffe. This is a giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest animals, with long necks to eat leaves high up.
Sloth. Sloth.
Sloth. This is a sloth. Sloths are slow and sleepy, hanging upside down with moss growing on fur.
Tortoise. Tortoise.
Tortoise. This is a tortoise. Tortoises have hard shells, move slowly, and can live for many years.
Honey badger. Honey badger.
Honey badger. This is a honey badger. It's small but super brave, not backing down from lions or snakes.
Cheetah. Cheetah.
Cheetah. This is a cheetah. The cheetah is the fastest land runner, zooming faster than cars to catch lunch.
King cobra. King cobra.
King cobra. This is a king cobra. King cobras are long snakes with strong poison, lifting heads to hiss.
Orangutan. Orangutan.
Orangutan. This is an orangutan. Orangutans are clever and calm, climbing trees and eating coconuts.
Polar bear. Polar bear.
Polar bear. This is a polar bear. Polar bears have thick fur and big paws, walking on ice and swimming in cold water.
Kangaroo. Kangaroo.
Kangaroo. This is a kangaroo. Kangaroos bounce high with strong legs, carrying babies in a pouch like a backpack.
Penguin. Penguin.
Penguin. This is a penguin. Penguins can't fly but swim amazingly, waddling on land and zooming underwater.
Alligator. Alligator.
Alligator. This is an alligator. Alligators live in swamps looking like logs until they snap.
Ibex. Ibex.
Ibex. This is an ibex. Ibex climbs steep cliffs easily, with curved horns for fighting and balance.
Fox. Fox.
Fox. This is a fox. Foxes are clever and fast, with bushy tails, sneaking around at night.
Panda. Panda.
Panda. This is a panda. Pandas eat bamboo all day, fluffy, slow, and love rolling around.
Raccoon. Raccoon.
Raccoon. This is a raccoon. Raccoons have bandit masks, curious and exploring at night.
Python. Python.
Python. This is a python. Pythons are big non-venomous snakes that wrap around food to catch it.
Moose. Moose.
Moose. This is a moose. Moose are giant forest animals with big antlers, loving to walk through water.